Starting hormone therapy around the time of menopause, generally within 10 years, is consistently associated with the reductions in all-cause mortality and cardiovascular disease. Hi friends, Dr. Fred Bloem here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm an integrative and holistic physician here in Maryland, and on this channel we talk about hormones, longevity, integrative oncology, Lyme disease, regenerative aesthetics, and other ways to help you feel and function at your best. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and join the newsletter at drbloem.com so you never miss an update. Today we're talking about a powerful and important scientific article by Dr. Howard Hodis and Dr. Wendy Mack published in the Cancer Journal. This paper dives deep into the evidence behind menopausal hormone therapy, and what they uncovered has huge implications for women considering BHRT. Here's the big takeaway. Starting hormone therapy around the time of menopause, generally within 10 years, is consistently associated with the reductions in all-cause mortality and cardiovascular disease. Several landmark data sets and meta-analyses cited by Hodis and Mack show a 24% reduction in all-cause mortality when hormone therapy is started before age 60, a 52% reduction in cardiovascular events in the Danish osteoporosis study after 10 years of therapy, slowed progression of atherosclerosis in the ELITE trial when estradiol was started early in menopause. That's a very different picture from the fear-laden headlines that came out 20 years ago after the WHI, Women's Health Initiative. Hodis and Mack make it clear the safety and benefits of hormone therapy depend heavily on timing. This is a crucial nuance that most patients were never told. So why does this article matter so much to you? Because so many women have been terrified of hormones for years. I meet women in their 50s, 60s, even their 70s who tell me, "Doctor, I just thought hormones were dangerous. I thought they caused cancer. I thought they're synthetic and toxic." But when we actually look at the data, especially when therapy is started earlier, we see a very different picture. Improved cardiovascular health, lower mortality, better metabolic balance, better bone density, better quality of life. And when the therapy uses bioidentical hormones, molecularly identical to what a woman makes naturally, we can often get better symptom relief with fewer side effects. This is why BHRT has exploded in popularity. Women want relief. They want energy. They want normal sleep. They want their brains back. They want their relationships back. And they want to do it safely. So let's talk about bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, BHRT. In my practice, I've used BHRT for years because the goal is simple. Restore hormones to physiologic, rhythmic levels that mimic the body's natural patterns. We're not trying to flatten your hormones. We're not trying to give you a steady drip of estrogen like a slow leaking faucet. We're trying to restore the beautiful symphony your body used to conduct before menopause. And when it's done correctly, with the right timing, the right form of hormones, and the right monitoring, the benefits can be life-changing. I've even had an 80-year-old patient on a rhythmic protocol who has maintained her posture, vitality, and yes, her height. That doesn't happen by accident. Now let's talk about something many of you ask me about, the Wiley Protocol. This is a type of rhythmic, bioidentical hormone therapy designed to mimic the natural menstrual cycle using precise rising and falling levels of estradiol and progesterone. Why does this matter? Because your body was designed to experience hormones in waves, not flat lines. The Wiley Protocol attempts to honor that natural rhythm. For the right patient, it can improve energy, improve mood, sharpen cognition, support bone density, help restore sex drive, improve skin elasticity, and reconnect women with a sense of vitality they haven't felt in years. But, and this is important, it must be done under close medical supervision. This is not a do-it-yourself protocol. It's not something you figure out on your own with a YouTube video and an Amazon shopping cart. It requires baseline testing, ongoing monitoring, dose adjustments, and a physician who understands both physiology and clinical nuance. The Wiley Protocol is one of several BHRT options I offer, and it's not for everyone, but for the patient who wants a physiological rhythm and is committed to regular follow-ups, it can be transformative. And for the men watching, don't feel left out. Testosterone replacement, when done safely, can support mood, motivation, muscle mass, metabolism, bone density, and libido. And in many men, it also stabilizes blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and supports cardiovascular health when used correctly. Hormone health is not just for women. Andropause is real, even if no one wants to talk about it. So now I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever been told that hormones are dangerous? Did this article's findings surprise you? Have you tried BHRT and how has it affected your quality of life? Would you like a separate video on the Wiley Protocol or on hormone safety myths? Your stories help other women and men feel less alone, and they help shape the videos I make. If this was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who's struggling and needs answers. And if you're in Maryland, DC, or Northern Virginia and want to explore BHRT or a personalized holistic plan, you can find me at drbloem.com. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. You deserve to feel vibrant, healthy, and whole at every age. See you in the next video.